With Wilson Language Training, we work with school districts. We create what we call compass plans. And the compass plans are comprehensive plans for success and sustainability. That's what it stands for. And we do not believe in workshops that are spray and pray, where we're in and out, because that doesn't work. And so we work with teachers over a period of time with workshops. And so we go into the school or the school district and do workshops and then do follow-up work in the classrooms with the teachers. And we have 3 different programs. So the training varies depending upon which of those programs the school district is implementing in their schools.
Now, are there certain months that you guys do your training?
We do it throughout the whole year. So we do training. The teachers might come to workshops in the summertime to get them underway, or they might do spring workshops to get them underway. And then throughout the entire year, we'll schedule visits throughout the year and meet with the teachers and go into their classrooms.